What do you do when everything you love is gone? And even your own people want you dead. David returned to Ziklag to find his city consumed by flames, his wives and children taken captive by the Amalekites. The men wept until they had no strength left, then turned on David in bitter rage. David was greatly distressed, for the people spoke of stoning him. But in his darkest hour, David strengthened himself in the Lord his God. He sought divine guidance through the ephod, and God's voice thundered with promise. Pursue, for you shall surely overtake them, and without fail recover all. David and his men launched into relentless pursuit, striking the Amalekites with supernatural victory. Nothing was lost, not a single wife, child, or possession. The impossible became reality through divine intervention. David recovered all that the Amalekites had carried away. When everything falls apart, God still brings comeback and total restoration. Even in devastation, victory is possible through faith.